Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials. Log into forums and marketplaces where niche handles appear and open a second window for incognito checks. Once done, compile alternate spellings and short keywords because usernames vary. Keep a small list on screen. Use a VPN to try region-restricted results and make sure your profile is visible so you can message. Start with targeted site searches rather than broad engines to reach likely sources quickly and avoid wasting time on irrelevant hits. You now widen and sharpen the hunt using advanced operators and specialized tools. Use site-specific searches with exact phrase quotes to isolate results, then pivot to image and archive searches to catch deleted content. Make sure to check cached pages. Next, run username lookups across social graphs and backlink tools to map related accounts. If you find partial matches, iterate, modify one character, try transliterations, and follow any linked profiles to build a chain of leads toward Awook Chomik. You close the process by confirming identity and reaching out carefully. Cross-check profile markers, photos, timestamps, mutual connections, so you avoid misidentifying someone. When ready, send a concise, polite message stating who you are and why you're contacting them. Give one way for them to respond. If you hit a dead end or get blocked, switch to a verified community moderator or use a neutral alternate account instead of persistent contact. Troubleshooting tip: if results vanish, repeat with different regions and cache targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.